Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing how to make an Afro-Finnish potato porridge, and for this we require of course potatoes, and then we need bouillon cubes, also carrot, meatballs, food cream. The chopped tomatoes is optional, chili, sausages, and salt. So these are the basic ingredients for making this porridge. So we start off by first washing the potatoes. Just give it a quick wash and chop. I like to cut them into cube size, but if you don't want cubes, you can also do however you like. So I'm just going to speed up really quickly with the chopping of the potatoes. And now I'm chopping the carrot also, however you like your carrot to be chopped. All these ingredients were bought really cheaply at Lidl. I think that's one of the cheapest places you can shop for food related things. Next, I brought water to a boil and then added the potatoes and the carrot. And next I'll be adding the bouillon cubes. I'm using just one here and a little bit of salt. If you're not good with measurements, then you use 1 teaspoon. Then we allow that to boil for about 10 minutes. I'm taking the 10 minutes time to chop the sausages and the meatballs as well. Just however you like it, nothing too serious. I think the entire prep time is between 15 to 20 minutes, so it's a very fast meal if you're really hungry. So potatoes are now soft. Depending on how soft you want them, drain the water and put it back. Use medium heat. I'm putting chili. I have 2 different types of chili, don't mind me. Then you put the rest of the ingredients in, the sausage and also the meatballs also will come right up. And add some milk, some portion of the milk first, so maybe just half of it. Now the meatballs come in and you stir. Oh, I'm stirring. And then the rest of the milk comes in. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. We have puro potato porridge, I think. And you just turn it and to whatever consistency that best suits you. And that is all. Oh well, you can add a little more salt to taste, but I think like 1 teaspoon is basically sufficient. Look at what that looks like, and it's really tasty. Something simple that tastes really nice. Okay guys, that's all I have to show you for today. Kindly subscribe. Until next time, catch ya.